Hello students, we are into a chapter called surfaces and volumes, and now we will continue with our topic of cylinder. Now today we will try to see what the various formulas you have in regard to cylinder. Alright, so this is a cylinder. Alright, now there are two types of surface areas. One is lateral surface area and other is total surface area. Lateral surface area means the area which you see in one direction, this one. So lateral surface area of a cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi RH, whereas total surface area is lateral surface area plus the area above and the area below. Now the above portion and the below portion is circular. So lateral surface area plus 2 times area of circle. Now what is that? So it is 2 pi RH plus what is the area of circle? Pi r square. So it is 2 times pi r square, and therefore if I take common, it is 2 pi r into h plus r. So this is the formula to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder, and this is the formula to calculate the surface area, lateral surface area of a cylinder, where r is the radius, of cylinder, and h is the height, of cylinder. Alright, now we also have to deal with volume. The volume of cylinder, is given by the formula pi r square h. So you have to remember these three formulae. One is lateral surface area, one is total surface area, and one is volume. So I want you to pause the video, draw this figure, recite these formulas, and now we will go for the problems related to cylinder. Alright. Yeah, children. The next question is, I am sure you are thorough with the formulas which are given to you. Here we have the volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. Its height is given as 8 centimeters. Find the lateral surface area and the total surface area. So let me write, given volume is equal to 308 centimeter cube. Now what is the formula for volume of the cylinder? The volume of the cylinder is given with the formula pi r square h, right? Pi r square h. Now that is equal to 308. Now what is given to you? Height is given to you. So pi r square, height is how much? 8 centimeters, right? Given height is equal to 8 centimeters. So pi r square into 8 is equal to 308. Alright. Now if any cancellations are there, you can cancel. And what is pi? Pi is 22 upon 7 into r square into 8 is equal to 308. Alright. Now r square is equal to 308 into 7 by 22 into 8. Any cancellations are there? You can cancel. 2 11s are 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 2 4s are. Any further cancellations are there? 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11. After 15, 11 you take out, 4 will be there, 4 means 11 4s are 44. So r square is equal to 14 into 7 by 8. Still further any cancellations are there, you can do that. 2 7s are and 2 4s are. R square is equal to 7 square by 4 is nothing but 2 square. Therefore, r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. So with the given data, we could find the radius. So now we have the complete picture. We have the height and we have the radius. We need to recollect the formula. Now whenever he mentions surface area, it means it's a curved surface area or lateral surface area. So therefore, the lateral surface area, or in brackets curved surface area for cylinder is also called as lateral surface area, is given by the formula 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into R, just now we got the value as how much? 7 by 2 into what is the value of H? H is equal to 8. Alright, now 7 and 7 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. So you are dealing with area, so area should be centimeters square. Now let us try to calculate the total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. So now it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into what is the value of radius? Radius is 7 by 2 into h plus r. What is the value of h? H is 8. And what is the value of r you got? R is equal to 7 by 2. So let us substitute this, and now you can cancel 2 and 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So it is 22 into 8 twos are 16 plus 7 by 2. Any further cancellations? Yes sir. 2 ones are, 2 11s are. So it is 11 into 16 plus 7 is how much? 23. And when you multiply 11 into 23, 2 is here, 3 is here, 2 plus 3 is 5. So total surface area, and don't forget to mention units, it is area. Total surface area is 253 centimeters square. Similarly, the lateral surface area or surface area or curved surface area is how much? 176 centimeters square. Right? I have gone a little fast, but I am sure you have understood the calculations. You may pause the video and then go for the next problem. Alright. Next question, children. A closed cylindrical tank. See, he has mentioned the word closed. A closed cylindrical tank of height 1.4 meters and radius of the base is 56 centimeters. Is made up of thick metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required? See, when he has used the word closed, what do you mean by that? The bottom is closed and the top is also closed. There is a lid. So the metal sheet required will be for top, bottom and also for curved surface area. Means you have to find the total surface area. The total surface area of the cylinder is equal to the required metal sheet in square meters. Alright. So now what is given to you? Given height. What is height? Height is 1.4 meters. And then what is given to you? Radius. Radius is how much? 56 centimeters. Now express centimeters in meters. So 56 centimeters is nothing but 56 by 100. Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So I will write this as 56 by 100. That is your radius. So many meters. And then you have height is equal to 1.4 meter. So we need to find total surface area. Consider total surface area of cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. So it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. What is the radius? Radius is 56 by 100. 56 by 100 into h plus r. What is h value? 14, 1.4. 1.4 can be written as 14 by 10 plus 56 by 100. Now let us take the LCM. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 56 by 100. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 100. 10 goes how many times? 10 times. 10 into 14 is 140. 100 goes how many times? 1 time. 1 into 56 is what? 56. Now I will write this as 2 into 22 into 56 into 140 plus 56 will be 196 by 7 into 100 into 100. So whenever you get 100 children, don't disturb it. You try to use those zeros at the end stage. Now see if you can divide. 7 goes in 56. 7 ones are 7. 7 eights are 56. All you need to do is multiply this stuff. Now let me multiply. 22 twos are 44. 44 into 8. Let me multiply things here. 44 into 8. 8 fours are 32. 2. 3 carry. 8 fours are 32. Plus 3 will be 35. So it is 352. So I am having 352 into 196 by 100 into 100. Now let me multiply this stuff again. 352 into, I will write 352 into 196. 6 twos are 12, 6 fives are 30, 3 carry, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21. Again 9 twos are 18, 8, 1 carry, 9 fives are 45, 45 plus 1, 46, 6, 4 carry, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 4, 31, 1, 3 over here. Again 1 twos are 2, 1 fives are 5, 1 threes are 3. You are left with 2, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 3, 6. So 6, 8, 9, 8, 2. So it is 6, 68982 divided by 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1 followed by 4 zeros is nothing but 10,000. So I must write this. It is 6.8982 square meters. So this is the amount of metal sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical triangle with these dimensions, right? So since he has asked you in meters, make sure that in the beginning stage only you convert everything in terms of meters. And everybody knows that if 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, then 56 centimeters is equal to how much? How much means 56 by 100. That's what you wrote. So these are the simple things one has to remember, right? So I want you to pause the video and copy the problem, and then we'll go for the next simple question. All right. Yeah. So let us go to the next question. But before we move to the next question, small change in the previous. It is 68,992. Right? There was an error made. 68,992. So it will be 68,992 means 6.8992 square meters. So that is for your information. You can update. Now let us move to the next question. A metal cuboid of dimension 22 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 7.5 centimeters was melted. Alright, so there is a cuboid. Let me draw a cuboid for you. Now a metal cuboid. Now that cuboid can be a gold brick or a silver brick. Right? Now that is melted, and once it is melted, it is recast back into a cylinder. Alright. Now it is recast back into a cylinder. So when you are melting and putting back into a form of cylinder, tell me what is not changing? Shape is changing, but volume is not changing. The volume is same. The volume of the metal is same. So now, what is the dimension given to you? Length is equal to 22 centimeters, breadth is equal to 15 centimeters, and height is equal to 7.5 centimeters of cuboid. All right. Now that is being melted into a cylinder, and what is the height of cylinder? Height of cylinder, h. Right? This is already h there, so I am taking that as capital H. Height of cylinder, capital H, is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. Now what are you supposed to find? You are supposed to find the radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder is a question mark. Now what is important is, we know that volume will not change. I will write, we know that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. And the best part is everything is in centimeters. Now what is volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square into capital H. Pi r square h. And what is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So it is pi means 22 upon 7. R square we are supposed to find, radius of the cylinder. H is how much? H is 14 centimeters. L into B into H, 22 into 15 into 7.5. So you need to be careful about the point. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So now I write 22. I can cancel 22 and 22 also. So 22 is cancelled. You got r square into 2 is equal to 15 into 7.5. Alright. Or r square is equal to, I have to multiply this stuff. Or 7.5 can be written 75 by 10. So r square is equal to 15 into 75. What is that? 75 5s are 375, or 15 5s are 75, 5, 7 carry, 15 7s are 105, 105 plus 15 7s are 105, 105 plus 7. What is 105 plus 7? 112 by 10 into 2. Now any cancellations are possible, you can make the cancellations. 2 1s are not possible, 2 1s are, and 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are, 1 is here, 2 6s are 12, and here you have 2 2s are 4.5. So r square is equal to 562.5 by 10. I can write r square as 5625 by 10, and this point I will bring it down, it will become 100. Now I want to find the value of r. So therefore r is equal to under root of 5625 by 100. Now what is the square root of 5625? You need to search for that. See, ending with 5. So let me check with 7. What is 75 whole square? Let me check what we get. 5 square 25. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 7. What is 49 plus 7? 615. It is 5625. So R is equal to, what is square root of 5625? 75. By what is square root of 100? 10. So what is radius? Radius is equal to 7.5 centimeters. So I am sure you understood how the calculations are made, right? I always recommend you to start the problem in this particular manner. You know, many people, you know, what they do is they try to calculate the volume, they multiply everything and get a huge volume, and then you put the formula for volume of cylinder, and then they start dividing. Instead, if you put things elaborated fashion, most of the things will get cancelled and calculating the required radius will become simple. So this is the technique in which we solve. So I want you to put a lot of practice, watch the video and try to do this problem without looking at the video. So thank you. I will give you some time to pause, and meanwhile, thank you, take care, and bye-bye. Bye.